Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Abhishek Das. I am a vocational trainer of Kadong High School of Electronics. My training provider is Orion EduTech Private Limited. Our topic is microwave oven operating principle and working of microwave oven. It is very important to know about the operating principle of microwave oven. Okay, let's start. We all know microwave oven uses microwave for cooking food. In microwave oven, magnetron act as a heart of microwave oven. It is the source of microwaves. Magnetron supplies constant and reliable energy in the form of microwave to the oven. In order to monitor and control the temperature, a control system is used. This control system regulates the multi-voltage regulation circuit. Microwave that is produced by the magnetron is guided by the waveguide towards the cooking chamber. In the cooking chamber, these microwaves are absorbed by the food. After absorbing the microwaves, the food gets evenly cooked. Microwave operating principle block diagram is as follows in the given below. And the topic is working of microwave oven. The topic is briefly given in the below. Thank you for watching this video.